Hi students, the purpose of this video is to help you get started in creating your digital portfolio. And what I want to show you in this video today is how to create a Google site, how to create a page, and how to edit a little bit of the visual of your website, and how to hyperlink to either a different page or to a document on your website. So this is all the basics that you'll need to know to create your digital portfolio. So the first thing you want to do to create a website is you need to go to your Google Sites. So as you can see, I'm in my Drive, and I come over here to your little 9-panel apps, and you're going to click Sites. And mine will probably look different than yours because I have created a bunch of different sites. And what you want to do is click Create. And you want to choose Blank Template, which is the default. You want to name your site. So maybe I'm going to name it my first name, Lisa's Biology Digital Portfolio. Okay, and from this page you can also select a theme. Your theme gives you the background colors. So maybe you scroll through these and you like this theme because you feel it looks professional for our portfolios. So after you select the theme, you can click Create. And as you can see, it is creating your site. Okay, so what it creates for you is it creates a home page and no other pages over here. So what you want to do first is you want to click New Page, and one of the pages that you're going to need to have named is an About Me page. So just keep it as a web page. You can choose different templates, but just keep it as a web page. And you can also see you can select the location. So if I want my About Me under my home page, I just keep it where it is, or I can choose a different location. Don't worry, if you don't like the location, you can always change things. I'm going to click Create. And just like that, under my home page, I have an About Me. If I undo the drop down, you can see the About Me disappears. Okay, another page that you're going to want, and then before you save it, this is where you can edit your page. So, hello, my name is, okay, and you can insert a picture of yourself by going Insert, Image, and you have to upload an image to your Drive. Let me just see what photos I have in here. Let's say I like this picture. I select Open, and okay, and then I have a picture on my website. If you click on the picture, you can change its alignment. You can change the size, small, medium, large, or it takes up 100% of whatever screen that you're in. Okay, that's how you insert a picture. So I'm going to make this picture be small. It's huge on my page. And I'm going to change the alignment. I want it to be aligned on the left. If you want to remove it, just click the X button to remove it. And then when you're done, click Save. And saving. Your changes have been saved. Okay, another page that you're going to want to create is your unit pages. Unit pages. And click Create. And here is where you want to create a page. So instead of unit pages, I probably want to say what the unit is. So geologic time unit is actually what the pages want to be named. You want to name each page by the unit. Okay, and this is where you're going to put your KWL and all of the basics that are on the requirements for your teacher. So let's say on this page I want to put my KWL. I type the word KWL, and then I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to hyperlink my words to my actual KWL document. So you can hyperlink in this screen to a different page on your website, or you can hyperlink it to your actual URL for your document. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to go to my drive, type in KWL, and there's my KWL template, and I'm going to copy and paste, Control V, into the URL link. And then I click I want to open this in a new window. So now when I click Save and I click on this, that will take me directly to the document in my drive, and it will save all changes, so you never have to reload that. Okay? The other thing you want to do is from your home page, you also need to edit. This is your edit button, your little pencil. You also want to put links to each one of those pages. So unit links and geologic time unit. I'm going to link this directly to my geologic time page. So I select the little hyperlink button, and this time I want to link it to not a document, but actually to a page. And then I click Save, and voila! When I click there, it takes me directly to my geologic time page. Okay? Another few things, so you see the general buttons that you have is you have your edit button, you have your new page button, and then you have your settings button. Okay, from your settings, a couple things you might want to take a look at is you can delete a page, you can print a page, you can copy a page. Specifically, I want to show you a little bit about edit site layout. This is where you change your page order. So I put About Me currently under my home page. Let's say I don't want that. What you do is you come over here to where it says navigation. The navigation will not show up until you put your cursor underneath the sidebar. And it says it automatically organizes my navigation by alphabetical order underneath the home. I unclick that. I want to add a page. I want to add home. I want to add another page. I want to add my geologic time unit. And then I want to add, if I click the plus, the About Me. And so now I could take that About Me page and not have it as a link underneath my home, but actually have it as a separate page. Okay, and then I click OK. And then once I close this out, you can see now my About Me is underneath. So again, all of that is done under the Edit Site Layout. And you have to add each page after you've changed the page order. So if you have a page and it doesn't show up, go back to the Edit Site Layout, click on the navigation, and come back here and add a page. It will not add a page after you've changed it until you do that. Okay, the other thing you can do is you can change the look of your site a little bit. Let's say you get into this and you don't really like the way your site looks. So you can come in here to Manage Site. And this is where you can see your recent site activity. You can see page templates, but if you come down here to where it says themes, colors, and fonts, you can actually change your themes. So let's say you change your mind and you want to see what this theme looks like. It allows you to see what the theme would look like. You can change the background color. Let's say you'd like the background color to be a light pink. You can change it that way. If you don't like it, just go right back to the theme. Okay, if you decide, I liked playing around with this, but none of it really looks that cool, I want to keep it the same way, then just click cancel. Okay, the things that you'll need to do after you get your site created is you need to change the share settings. Currently, the share settings are so that anyone in Washington can see your website. Okay, to change that, you click the share button. And we do not want any people at Washington can find and edit. We're going to only share this with specific people. And a specific person you're going to share it with at this point is going to be your teacher. And change it so your teacher can view, and then click Send. All right, and then from this you could also enable page level permissions. So maybe you're working on a project and you want somebody to be able to work with this page on you. This is where you change your page level permissions under your share settings. When you get back to your site and you're back to your home page. Okay, another thing that you can do is after you have your page created, you will need to share this with your teacher. And for my class, I'm having you copy and paste the link into my webpage that has student digital portfolios by hour. So type in your name in that table and then hyperlink your Google website to your name so I can access that. All right, that's the basics. If you need additional help, come see me before or after school.